Now you've probably heard of YouTube automation, and that's actually why you're watching this video. But in today's video, I'm going to show you how you could start your own six-figure business on YouTube and have to do nearly nothing. Now almost anyone could start this business. All you need is a laptop and you need slight editing skills. But honestly, you don't need any editing skills with one of the tricks I'm going to show you. And yes, I said six figures. People are making six figures with this side hustle, and they're making $10,000 per YouTube channel. And once again, this is with near to none work. And you can start this right now before it's too popular. So let's get into the most important steps. Step one, finding your niche. Now, why do I say this is the most important step? This is because when finding your niche, this can affect how many views you get, your audience view duration, and your click-through rate. These are all the three most important things when starting your own automation channel. And the reason for this is that's how you get paid. If you don't get views, then you're not going to get paid. And the other two actually affect your views. So a great niche that you could start would be Andrew Tate. Now, the reason I say this is because if you use something like vidIQ, you can see that it's very popular, and no matter how small your channel is, if you post shorts, they will get pushed out because YouTube is pushing out shorts right now. So let's say you create a YouTube channel about Andrew Tate and then you start uploading shorts. Well, no matter how small you are, you'll start to gain subscribers and views from YouTube shorts. And just recently, YouTube actually made it so that you can monetize your channel just by short views. You only need 10 million views. Now I say only because there are videos getting 18 million views on Andrew Tate, especially since the controversy that is up right now about him. You would be getting millions of views. I believe that you could get monetized within a week just off of this one niche. Now, once again, there are hundreds of niches on YouTube. So here's a criteria I would use when trying to find your own niche. Is there a high search volume for it? Is it trending in today's day and age? And does it target the YouTube audience? YouTube audience is on the younger side, and that actually results in them having a smaller retention rate. Now, what this means is that if your video isn't on an interesting topic, they will not watch. So now the second thing is getting video ideas and actually getting your own video shorts. So now that you have your niche, let's get into making the videos and actually how you can create them. Now, the first way to get clips on your niche is actually looking at podcasts about your niche. So for example, Andrew Tate has hours on hours of podcasts about him, and these are great for cutting out clips of him as well. Now let's say your niche is something like gym workouts or motivational speeches. Then you can easily cut out clips from motivational speeches or just gym clips and add in text. There's so many niches that you can do, and it's super easy to just find content on YouTube. Make sure your videos are quick and choppy. Make sure that your videos actually have an audience, and once again, make sure that you are editing your videos. You want to be original when making these videos, or it can go really downhill. Now with the link down below, it's going to be a YouTube video converter. So basically it'll let you download any video that's on YouTube. What this means is that you can download 6 hours of a podcast, get at least 40 shorts just from one podcast. This then results in you having 40 shorts, and all you have to do is edit. Now let me show you an easy way to edit and how you can do it by yourself. So the second way that you could actually also make videos is going to Fiverr and hiring someone. You can hire a video editor who will animate for you, and then you can easily make a script on OpenAI or ChatGPT. So let's open up ChatGPT right now, and I'm going to easily make a script and show you guys what I mean.
No.
So we have ChatGPT open now, and I'm going to tell it to write me a script about Andrew Tate. Alright guys, so all I'm going to say is write me a script. Guys, so now as you can see, it's going to be writing a script about Elon Musk, or about an animation that we can kind of do about Elon Musk. And this is where it comes in clutch. After you get your script from ChatGPT and it writes you a script, all you have to do is go over to Fiverr and get a voice recorder. Now once again, you can actually just cut out this cost and record your videos by yourself with your own voice. And it's actually super simple to do that. You can use anything like your iPhone as your microphone and just edit it into the video animations that you're gonna get from Fiverr. Now once again, remember, this is if you don't use clips of podcasts just for your own YouTube automation business. And honestly, this way is way more passive, and once you start building traction on your channel, you can actually do the animation way, and you will be able to afford the fees for buying an editor. So as you can see, this person's literally saying that they'll make a whiteboard animated video for $20, and these actually do insanely well on YouTube, so don't be fooled by it.
Not rich. Right.
Now the last thing is adding text. A lot of people would consider this the hardest part, but honestly, I would consider this the easier part, and especially with this strategy I'm about to show you guys. Alright guys, so the first thing you want to do is download CapCut. Now the reason for this is because CapCut makes it super simple for you to cut up clips and edit them. Now after you found your podcast clips, then you want to just pick out the good spots or good parts that you thought were good. Now you can screen record them or download them like I said. Now just open up CapCut and then select select your clip from your files. So for this example, I'm just using this random TikTok. Now here's the cool and crazy thing about CapCut. It actually has AI generated auto text. So it can generate text based off of what you're saying and it can know what you're saying. So here's how you do it. You're gonna press text and then you're gonna go to auto captions. And then make sure it's on English unless you speak a different language. So English. You're just gonna press create and wait for it to create them. Now once again, you wanna add captions to your shorts because this will increase the engagement of the person watching. And also the person might be somewhere that is crowded, or they might not have headphones to listen to the video. So therefore they kind of need captions to know what you're saying. And YouTube doesn't have any automatic captions for YouTube videos. So that's why you need to add your own on CapCut. But once again, like I said, it's literally auto captions, so it doesn't even matter. So once it creates them, you're gonna wanna go through the captions and make sure they're all correct. Now you can do this by pressing on the caption and editing what it says right here. But let's go into the important part, which is making the text kind of look like those trendy videos that we always see. Make sure that once you select the text down here, it says apply to all. And for the stroke, I would leave it at around 40 or 33. I would say 33 just to start off. And then shadow, you want it like this and make the opacity 100%. Blurriness, make sure that it's at like 24%. Distance, 8 is fine. And then here you want this to also come down to around 8, 7 or 8, it doesn't really matter. And now since the text is so small, we can actually increase the font size of it. Now when choosing your font size, it is gonna change kind of how like the text stack. And I would recommend going with a font size of around 16. And as you can see, it just kind of looks better like that. Now here's the last but really important part. I'll leave a link down below to download this font, but you could also just search it up in Google or Safari. And you want to press on the font. And after you download the font, it's called the Bold Font 2022. And what this does, it makes everything capitalized. Also make sure that you add music if there isn't already music, especially on a podcast. It is kind of quiet normally. So if there isn't music, just add music. Now watch this video to see how I dropship with $0. Now this is an amazing side hustle and it's probably one of the biggest side hustles out there.